Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
That's great. Now we are going to start the language talk show, which is very important to discuss with every person in the world because English play a vital role in every career and faculty like science, like computer, like business. So we can understand that all these things, the English playing a vital role. As you guys know that English is the language of business in Pakistan. In 1973 constitution, it is mentioned that the Pakistan business language is English. That's why every student of Pakistan, they are learning English in different institutions. Especially we are announcing that Vision ID is providing the students the facility about that they can learn English side by side with computer courses. And they are also facilitating the students to please come and enjoy English because English play a vital role to make your career very best. So now we have different participants of different faculties. First of all, I would like to call Miss Muskan. She is the student of the medical. So and one of the other students, that name is Fabiha, and she is also a student of the computer. And the other students, that's Miss Musarrat. She is belong to the business. And what's your name, please? Mehran is also the student of the medical. And Omar is also the student of the business. And Iman, she is also the student of the computer science. Okay, Ji, thank you so much. So all these are playing a vital role in their career. So I will ask some question to the different faculty students. So first of all, I will ask something about the medical students. Muskan, what do you think how English plays role in the medical field?
Yeah, if you are talking about the medical field, then English is important for us because we have the MDCAT test and where we have to done score in English also. And there is a lot of books like medical books. They are like in scientific languages, but they are in we are easy to know the things and like what we are reading about the science medical fields. Like we are reading a chapter or we are learning something, so it's easy to understand that things. And then we have to explore the things like if we want to search on anything, because in Google, in everywhere, in AI, so we have to use the English term like what we want to find. And it's important for us to speak English, read English or write English, as well as we are doing our own career, or if we are being a doctor, if there was some patient who don't know English, then we help to make him understand. And then there's a lot of things we can say, like English is playing a vital role in our lives also, as well as it's important for our fields.
Thank you so much. As you guys know that she explained about that every book is in English and we are using the AI and multimedia things are there, which is being defining as in English as well. So Muskan, that's very nice explanation that you have given us. So the second one is score about that, like Ms. Fabia, what do you say about that? How English is playing role in the computer field?
So if we talk about computer science field, English play a very vital role in coding and developing programs. Because the high-level language of human understandable language is English, basically English. So if you want to build a program or game or anything you want to code, and if you want to code, you should know English. It's the basic English. And as she said, the AI and a lot of other things which require English means that English is a very
important
thing,
source to understand the things.
the
Very good, wonderful thing. Very well that you define as well. Both persons define very well that the faculty requires English because English play a vital role in the study career about that.
And coding.
In coding too. And that is a good point. Yes, Mr. Meran, what do you say about that? You are also the student of the medical. So do you think that English play a vital role as Mr. Khan said that?
Yes, sir. Everything is time. I think, sir, tend to maintain, sir. Digital work and
Digital work.
Everything. AI is in English. And
Okay.
then my every rules are
Also in English. Oh, that's good job. Mean that English playing a vital role in the book of the learning the medical books.
yes.
That's great one. Okay, that's Mr. Umar. What do you say about it? How English play a role in the business field?
English is a very important language that used in all around the world.
Yeah.
We use English in every field, and it's important in business side also because we use English to maintain our category of our business what we do, what we eat,
Yes.
say something, what we deal with others
Yes. Nice
to
one.
improve our business side.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much. As you know, guys, he said that we can understand everything about in management system, record systems, and all these things are mentioned in the you can say English language. So English play a vital role in the business field too. That's good job. Okay, one of the more interesting student we have that is she is very good in the medical field, and she also defined the things earlier how English play in the field of medical and as well as in other faculties.
This is very important, like in all faculties, as she said, in MCAT test and in future interviews.
Yeah.
Like all these mostly subjects are in English, so
That's good job. Very nice. Thank you. Mean that all these business career also playing a vital role in this business field. So, Maria, what do you say about that? How English play a role in business?
English is very important in the business field
Very good.
because without English,
We can't understand
yes,
the business terms.
yes.
Okay, that's good job. As Muskan, I would like to ask you some cross question about that. Okay, what do you think about that? Why the students are not expert in learning English or speaking English? Because that's why a majority of the students are facing difficulty. As you guys said that it is playing a vital role in every field, but many of the students they are facing the difficulties. So what do you say? Why? What the reason behind the bottom?
Like if you are talking about this, then it's if you want to learn something, then you can. If you like motivate yourself, I can do it, then you can do it. But like some people are here for learning English, but they are not capable to learn because they are not paying the attention and
You
they are,
mean that the students are not paying attention?
Yeah.
So, for me, it is true that the students do not understand the value of English. That's why they are not learning English.
if we say that people are not learning English, there is another point. As she said that people are not giving enough attention, but if you provide good teachers that teach in a way that people can understand English easily, like you did.
So, how do you feel that English language facilities are provided in Vision ID?
It was so good when we joined Vision IT. We were also like not giving enough attention to English, but as we continue the course, we learned a lot of things. We got to know about the language better than we should be learned in schools and other institutes. But yeah, here our experience is so good, and we learn a lot of things, and we understand the language properly.
You would like to say that the student would come to join us to improve our English as well as computer.
Of course.
yeah.
That's great, you guys great. Okay, that's a good job. Imanji, what do you say about that? What are the basic reasons the students are not taking interest to improve their English from start to the performance about that?
It's about the interest. Some people doesn't take interest, and it also based on the teachers.
Yeah. You mean that it based on interest. But something is very important, Iman, that as we are learning computer, so I am not interested, but I have to learn English because all the codings and the systems are also in English. So it is very very important that we can't take interest in, which is very important thing for us in our future.
So you should develop the interest.
Okay, you mean the teacher should develop the interest of the students in English about that? Okay, that's good point. What about thing? Umar, do you think that the students are not taking interest in English? That's why they are not improving their English.
Some students are not taking interest in English, but some are
Taking interest.
in English. It depends on us if they want to take interest in English, so they do it and learn English better and improve their English good.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, what do you say about that? Why the students are not taking interest in English?
I think I know that what is valuable and not valuable English.
Yeah.
That's why I not learn English and I
Okay.
my
all friends are Sindhi. I talk
Okay, you all friends are Sindhi language, speak Sindhi language, but you try to improve your English power because you understand the value of
Sindhi.
English as well as Sindhi too. Okay, Sindhi is our regional language. Okay, guys, nice talk to you. But I will say that I hope that you understand about the value of the importance of English in every locality. So this is the end of our talk show. We really enjoyed about that because people share their views, and I hope that we enjoyed very well. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
Love it.